What's good, y'all? It's your boy Victor Allen, and today I'm gonna be giving y'all an instructional video on how I turned this Arizona tea container into a watering can. So the tools you're gonna need, or the things you're gonna need, are 1, your Arizona watering can, 2, a nail, 3, pliers, preferably pliers with rubber grips on the end, or rubber grips where you can hold them, and then 4, an open flame. So I'm gonna just go through my thought process in terms of like how I designed this and how I just made it into something that worked for me. So I knew that as I tilted it over that I wanted water to flow out. And so at first I was contemplating putting it at the top, but I wanted more surface area or to make holes so water could come out and like cover more ground as I was watering my plants. So I settled on using this section right here. I also knew that as I tilted the can over, or the container over, that air needed to come into the container so there could be a steady release of pressure, or steady amount of pressure, putting the water down, putting the water out of the holes. And so I was kind of thinking in a biomimicry mindset in terms of like, okay, dolphins, porpoises, whales have a blowhole at the top. So I was like, all right, maybe as I tilt this over, water will come out at the bottom, and at the top I can put like an air hole so you can have that stream of pressure. So I took the nail, held it with the pliers over the open flame for about 20 to 30 seconds, just enough for it to get hot. You don't test it, don't touch it, just hold it over the flame about 20-30 seconds. That should be enough. And so what I did, I punctured 18 holes. That was a good enough number for me on this side in this upper section. And then I made about 2 to 3 holes up here, but I kind of merged them together. And so after I did that, then I just let it cool off and tested it out. And so it works really well. I'll do a little demonstration. Y'all see it after this instructional section. But this is what I use when I go out and water my plants in the garden, in the backyard. It works, it's functional, it's it's economical as well, because this is something that, we get every once in a while. So I figured might as well use the most of this, not just throw away extra plastic. This can be useful. Had the nail laying around, had the pliers in the toolbox, and had an open flame. So yeah, it's something that hopefully y'all can take advantage of, y'all can use in your horticultural endeavors. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Hope y'all learned something for this video. If you want me to do like a video of me actually like going through and making one of these, I'm happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments below. But other than that, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.
So as y'all can see, this is the Arizona, formerly Arizona tea bottle, and now it's a watering can.